Good day, everyone. Before we start, let us pray first. Miss Secretary, please lead the prayer. Okay, thank you, Miss Secretary. And now, our topic today is all about beauty care. Somebody give me an idea about the beauty care? Okay, yes, student. Very good, Marian. And now, let us start let us start the discussion our topic for today, the beauty care in situ. Kapag naririnig natin yung salitang beauty care, naiisip natin kaagad yung routine natin everyday. Now, I will discuss step by step of how proper use in skincare routine in everyday, the night and the day and night. So, and the step-by-step makeup for beginner. The first, I will discuss the proper use of skincare. Siguro naman lahat sa atin may kaunting kaalaman tungkol sa maayos na paggamit. So, let's start. There are the 3 steps of skincare routine for clear skin. The first is skincare routine. Dito nakapaloob ang balance na kalinisan. The first is clean twice daily with a gentle cleanser and exfoliate 1 to 2 weeks weekly to unclog pores and moisturize. To keep skin balance and wear SPF 30 plus sunscreen daily to protect the face of the sun. The second is healthy lifestyle. So dito, eat balanced diet with fruits, vegetable, and lean proteins. Stay dehydrated and get 7 to 9 hours of sleep and exercise regularly for improved circulation, and the last is consistent habits. So dito, avoid touching your face when your hand is dirty. So, yung kamay natin, palagi tayo humahawak ng mga kung ano-ano. So before touch your face, use alcohol or wash your hands. And before remove makeup before bed and keep makeup tools and surface clean, and also consult a dermatologist for persistent issues. So dito, dapat yung mga ginagamit natin na mga tools, dapat palagi siyang malinis para kapag ginagamit natin siya is hindi siya magdulot ng allergies or marumi sa mukha. So, do you understand, class? Kailangan pangalagaan natin yung kalinisan natin sa katawan, hindi lang sa muka. So, the next naman is for beginner naman. There are the step of makeup step by step. So, una nating gagawin is before mag-makeup, syempre, maghihilamos na muna tayo. Linisan na muna natin ang ating muka and ang ating katawan. So, una nating gagamitin is yung sunscreen. Mahalaga ito para ma-protect tayo sa init. Pangalawa, yung primer. Una nating gagamitin is yung sunscreen. Mahalaga ito para maprotektahan tayo sa init. Pangalawa naman yung primer. Pangalawa yung primer. And next is foundation. Use foundation na protect lang ng gusto para yung concealer. Matatapan nito yung mga sumpa mo sa eye bag. And yung eyeliner, and after eyeliner is shadow. The next is eyebrow pencil and powder. Pagkatapos ng powder is mascara. Sunod naman blusher, blush on. So, pag naglalagay tayo ng blush on, sakto lang paglagay. Huwag natin ramihan, baka magmukha naman tayong kakaiba. So, sunod naman highlighter or contour. Pagkatapos is lipstick. Panghuli naman ay setting spray para hindi siya kaagad masira ang makeup. So, now, my assignment is group up yourself as two and video the simple makeup with your partner. Submit it next week. Thank you everyone for attending.